Hi guys, so today we get to find out the winner of this beautiful GST B200 G-Shock. But before we move on with the giveaway draw, let me just warn you about those scammers in the comments section. I have been trying to delete the comments, I have been trying to block them, but they keep reopening accounts using my logo and claiming you're the winner, asking you to send them money for shipping. First of all, that is not me. Secondly, I would never ask you any money for any kind of shipping cost because, like I said, I'll be sending these at my own expense. Thirdly, how can you be the winner if I just posted a giveaway video and told you that the winner is gonna be drawn a week from now, and then 2 hours after that video you get a notification that you won? It just doesn't make sense. So please, people, lose your logic, use your common sense, and ignore those scammers. They're really annoying and they might cost you money. So like I said, ignore all those comments. If your name gets pulled out, I'm gonna ask you to contact me via an email in the description. Then once you contact me and not vice versa, we're gonna do a two-step verification process so I can confirm it is you, and then I'm gonna send you the watch. So there is no way that I'm gonna contact you via the comments section or ask you any money so I can send you this watch. So again, ignore those scammers. Now, if your name gets pulled out, like I said, contact me via the email in the description. If it doesn't end for you. Someone won this watch. However, if you participate in this video, like it, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you're gonna be entering the draw for these two. So 2 other winners are going to be selected a week from now, so next Wednesday. Again, ignore scammers that tell you that you won. You didn't win until your name appears here on the screen. I will not be contacting you. Okay, now moving on. Put this away. Take this watch again. I would like to thank everyone who participated, who made me reach 100,000 subscribers, and especially to those who subscribe to the channel of my friend. He reached about 500 something. Hopefully we'll be able to get him over 1,000. Now with that moved away or out of the way, let's try to find out the winner of this. As usual, because the comments have been increasing and increasing, I'm gonna be using a randomizer instead of the usual where I cut out the names. So we picked the YouTube random comment picker. We're gonna go into my YouTube video. So this is the giveaway 100,000 triple giveaway video. We're gonna copy the link. Okay, we're gonna go back to the comment picker. Let's paste that video. Hold, paste. And now we're gonna filter duplicate users. So even if you commented a couple of times, your name is just gonna appear once. We'll click Get YouTube Comments. It's gonna start loading. There's gonna be a lot of comments. Still loading. 600, 700, 800, 1,000, 100, 200, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Naturally, if a scammer's name pops out, they're not going to win the watch. I think that is amount of unique comments, 2014, so 2014. Pretty cool. Okay, so now we're going to click this button and the randomizer is going to choose one name. So are you ready? Let me zoom in. Let the camera focus. Good luck, everyone. This is it. This is when you find out who won this GST B200. Start. And the winner is Viswanath. Congratulations for the beautiful milestone. So helpful are your tutorials. Keep up the good work. So Viswanath, you are the winner. Please contact me via the email in the description. After that, I'm going to do, like I said, a two-step verification process to confirm you are the winner or that you're the one emailing me. Then I'm going to ask you your address and full name so I can send you the watch. So congratulations to Viswanath for winning this beautiful G-Shock. And to the rest of you, like I said, it's not over. comment on this video and you get to enter the draw a week from now. And again, do not reply to those scammers, do not WhatsApp them, because I'm certainly not going to be contacting you via the phone. So stay safe, please be careful, and good luck to everyone in a week's time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.